gonna make one of my all-time favorite Italian desserts. Say it with me, tiramisu! It is the perfect combination of cookies and cheese and coffee. And best of all, there's no ovens or heat involved, which makes me very happy because I'm not much of a baker. Let me show you how to make it, okay?
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
We're gonna start off with some eggs. It's important when you're separating these eggs, you get no yolk in the whites, because yolk in whites will ruin the whites. This recipe uses raw eggs, but if you want to be extra cautious, you can get pasteurized eggs. So I'm gonna break up these yolks with a whisk, white sugar into our egg yolks. You can see after just a minute or so, these have become pale, which is nice. A lot of tiramisus have liqueurs in them. To save some money, we're using vanilla extract. This is mascarpone. It is the thing that makes this dish creamy and delicious. Beautiful. This is all combined. Now it's time to work on the whites. The struggle mixer, 8500. Here it is. If you've got a hand mixer, now's the time to use it. Look at that stiff peak. The egg whites are infused with a whole bunch of air. You can see the volume has increased. If I mixed a bunch of vanilla and sugar into these whites, they would be very dense. Dense is not good. So you'll take, call it a third of your mixture, and you don't want to stir it because you want to keep the air into the whites. What you want to do is sort of come up from underneath and just try to incorporate without really ever pushing down until you get to like just homogeneous color. The longer you spend on this, the worse it will be. So be gentle and purposeful and make it happen as quickly as you can. That's pretty much it right there. I've got some strong black coffee right here. And this brings us to the name tiramisu, which translates to pick me up. Why? Caffeine. So we're gonna take our coffee. We have lady fingers here. They're little Italian biscuits. They're very soft and airy, and they're gonna be perfect at soaking up our strong coffee. Listen, they disintegrate real quick. So I've got the drop and flip method, and you literally just go boop, like that, drop, flip, and lift. Any more than that, and it won't hold any shape. We're just dipping them in the coffee. They shouldn't be in here for more than 2 seconds. We come in with our egg mixture. I kind of go plop, plop, and you can start to spread it around. Remember, we're still trying to maintain aeration in the egg, so like just a light spreading. Next layer. Literally, I like to set a timer and see how fast I can do it. Boom, 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 huh. All right, another layer. Layer 3. Gonna hit it on top. I've got some chocolate, and I'm just gonna start making it happen. You could use like cocoa powder if you had that. It certainly makes the whole thing look beautiful. So this is gonna go into the fridge, a couple hours, overnight, 2 days. Honestly, it only gets better with time. To the fridge, to cure. The tiramisu is all set up. All right, we're gonna come in like this. Da-da-da. Woo-hoo-hoo. There's caffeine, there's sugar, there's the creamiest cheese in the whole world inside, and it's all topped with chocolate. Pick me up! At only $2.15 a serving, I'm already excited before I bite into this. All right, let's dig in. It cuts through it like a warm knife in cold butter. Oh my goodness. Yes. Fantastic. It's sweet and creamy. You've got the nice coffee kind of cutting through all the richness, and the lady fingers and egg whites are light as could be. I mean, this thing just melts in your mouth in like a cakey kind of way. So good. If you're making an Italian dinner, this is the dessert you should finish it off with. It's easy, it's delicious.